Hello, lots of windows, tons of natural light and a really highly functional floor plan. Everything you would expect from a quality built Zancor home. Add in interlocking driveway and walkways, an updated kitchen, newer flooring on the main level and a fully finished basement. You may have just found the home that checks all the boxes. I'm Andrew McKay of Remax by the Bay Brokerage here in Wasaga Beach, and this is 437 Ramblewood Drive, Wasaga Beach. Click on the link below for full details.
Here's how you'll enjoy this beautifully maintained and thoughtfully upgraded 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in a mature and desirable neighbourhood in Wasaga Beach. It's a community that attracts families, couples and retirees alike. From the moment you arrive, it's clear this home has been exceptionally well cared for. Interlocking stone driveway and walkways lead through abundant flower gardens in both the front and backyards, creating a truly inviting outdoor setting. The attention the sellers have put into this home is evident everywhere you look, and highlighted by the investment in a Generac generator in case of any emergencies. Step inside and you'll immediately appreciate the thoughtful layout. With nearly 2,500 square feet of living space, there's plenty of room for everyday life, entertaining and making the space your own. The newer updated kitchen and newer hardwood flooring bring a stylish modern feel, while large windows throughout the home create a bright and airy atmosphere. At the front of the home, the slightly separated living and dining area is a comfortable space to relax or entertain. The main floor features 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a spacious primary suite designed for comfort. Here you'll find a 4-piece ensuite and a walkout to the deck. The second bedroom on this level sits conveniently beside the family bathroom, perfect for guests or family members. The finished lower level adds even more versatility to the home. Downstairs you'll find 2 additional spacious bedrooms, and the nearby bathroom makes this level ideal for guests or an older child looking for their own space. The recreation room offers endless possibilities, whether you imagine a cosy movie area, games room, fitness space or hobby area. And of course, location is key. Just a few minutes drive or about a 20-minute stroll to the beach, plus walking distance to the casino, a local school and the new Costco planned to open this year. The West End location provides easy access to the popular amenities of Collingwood. For those who crave adventure, Ontario's largest ski resort, the village at Blue Mountain, is just 25 minutes away.
Well, that's 437 Ramblewood Drive here in Wasaga Beach. If you know anybody that may like this home, please do share the video. Even better, if it's something you can imagine yourself living in, call me for a custom tour. Cheers.